Simultaneous linear equations. Let's look at our example. Solve algebraically 2 by x plus 2 by 3y is equal to 1 by 6. 3 by x plus 2 by y is equal to 0. Let us look at the solution. Let 1 by x is equal to u and 1 by y is equal to v. Then, substituting 1 by x and 1 by y in the equations, we get, in the first equation we will get 2u plus 2 by 3v is equal to 1 by 6. And doing the same in the second equation, we get 3u plus 2v is equal to 0. Calling this equation as first and this equation as second. From second equation, taking 3u to the other side, we get 2v is equal to minus 3u. Substituting this in first, we get 2u plus, in place of 2v we can write minus 3u by 3 is equal to 1 by 6. This implies, multiplying both sides with 6, we get 12u minus 6u is equal to 1. This implies 6u is equal to 1. This implies u is equal to 1 by 6. Therefore, we have seen that 2v is equal to minus 3u is equal to, putting u is equal to 1 by 6 here, minus 3 into 1 by 6, which is equal to minus 1 by 2. This implies v is equal to, dividing both sides by 2, is equal to minus 1 by 4. Therefore, x is equal to 1 by u. So we'll take the reciprocal of 1 by 6, this is 6. And y is equal to 1 by v. Taking reciprocal of minus 1 by 4 is equal to minus 4. Therefore, x is equal to 6 and y is equal to minus 4. Let's take the next example. Solve 1 by 2 into 2x plus 3y plus 12 by 7 into 3x minus 2y is equal to 1 by 2. And the other equation is 7 by 2x plus 3y plus 4 by 3x minus 2y is equal to 2. Where 2x plus 3y is not equal to 0 and 3x minus 2y is not equal to 0. Let's see the solution. Let 1 by 2x plus 3y is equal to a and 1 by 3x minus 2y is equal to b. Substituting in the given equations. So in the first given equation we will substitute. First equation becomes a by 2 plus 12b by 7 is equal to 1 by 2. Multiplying both sides with 14, we will get 7a plus 24b is equal to 7. Call this first. And doing the same for the second given equation, we will have 7a plus 4b is equal to 2. Call this second. Here, subtracting equation 2 from equation 1, we will get 7a gets cancelled. 24b minus 4b is 20b is equal to 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. This implies, dividing both sides with 20, b is equal to 5 by 20 is equal to 1 by 4. Substituting this b is equal to 1 by 4 in first, we will have 7a plus 24 into 1 by 4 is equal to 7. This implies 7a plus 6 is equal to 7. This implies 7a is equal to 7 minus 6 is equal to 1. This implies a is equal to 1 by 7. Now we've taken a is equal to 1 by 2x plus 3y, putting the value of a here as 1 by 7. So 7 becomes equal to 2x plus 3y. And we have taken as 1 by 3x minus 2y. And the value of b we have found out to be 1 by 4. So from here, 4 is equal to 3x minus 2y. Therefore, 2x plus 3y is equal to 7. Call this equation third. And 3x minus 2y is equal to 4. Call this equation fourth. Multiplying equation third by 2 and equation fourth by 3 we get. So multiplying equation 3 by 2 we get 4x plus 6y is equal to 14. And equation 4 by 3 we get 9x minus 6y is equal to 12. Now we call these equations as 5 and 6. Adding 5 and 6 we get plus 6y gets cancelled with minus 6y. 9x plus 4x is equal to 13x is equal to 14 plus 12 is 26. Dividing both sides with 13 we get x is equal to 2. Substituting x is equal to 2 in equation 6 we get 9 into 2 minus 6y is equal to 12. This implies minus 6y is equal to, taking 18 to the other side, 12 minus 18. This implies minus 6y is equal to minus 6. Dividing both sides with minus 6 we get y is equal to 1. So we have obtained the value of x and y as x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1. Let's take the next example. Solve 5 by x plus y minus 2 by x minus y is equal to minus 1. 15 by x plus y plus 7 by x minus y equal to 10. Let's see the solution. The given equations are 5 by x plus y minus 2 by x minus y is equal to minus 1. Call this first. 15 by x plus y plus 7 by x minus y is equal to 10. Call this second. Taking 1 by x plus y equal to u and 1 by x minus y equal to v, the given equation becomes. So putting u and v in the equation first becomes 5u minus 2v is equal to minus 1. Call this third. Doing the same for the second equation, we get 15u plus 7v is equal to 10. Call this fourth. Now multiply equation 3 by 3. The equation becomes 15u minus 6v is equal to minus 3. Call this fifth. And 15u plus 7v is equal to 10. Call this sixth. Subtracting equation 5 from equation 6 we get 15u and 15u gets cancelled. 7v plus 6v is 13v is equal to 10 plus 3 equal to 13. Dividing both sides by 13 we get v is equal to 1. Substituting the value of v is equal to 1 in fifth we get 15u minus 6 into 1 is equal to minus 3. Taking minus 6 to the other side, this implies 15u is equal to minus 3 plus 6 is equal to 3. This implies dividing both sides by 15, u is equal to 3 by 15 is equal to 1 by 5. Now, we have taken u as 1 by x plus y and we've obtained the value as 1 by 5. So taking reciprocals on both sides, x plus y is equal to 5, call this seventh. Similarly, we've taken v as 1 by x minus y. This we have obtained the value as 1. This implies taking reciprocals on both sides, x minus y is equal to 1, call this eighth. Adding equation 7 and equation 8 we have x plus x is 2x and y cancels with minus y. 5 plus 1 is equal to 6, so we get 2x is equal to 6. Dividing both sides by 2 we get x is equal to 3. Substituting the value of x in equation 7 we get 3 plus pi is equal to 5. This implies y is equal to 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. Hence the solution is x is equal to 3 and y is equal